Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this new program, Second Life. My name is Dairo Castañeda, and tonight we are going to tell about the most relevant things that are happening on our university campus. Let's begin. There is house joy in all regions of the country for having the possibility of studying with, without having to stay in classroom for a long time thanks to secure EduPod and this polymer system. The idea is to increase the number of students every day, and, and it can be calculated seen that if a student has increased and greatly, if that university tends to the easy of study the time of the time. The idea is the university is to reduce the difficult and create more expectation and solution so that one day not too far away and can say and call way that the problem to the able to study in the university have discrete notice. Another important option of the great university in the discount they give for a prone payment. They are clean examples of the student who have discount then we help them make them very happy. Well, the Viewed for the moment, there have been most relevant news you have gained now. We'll be attentive to the new event to be informed many things soon. This is all the notice for the moment. Thank you very much. Good night.